Hey guys, this is Matan from ControlUp, and today I want to speak with you about how to use a very important capability in the product, and that's the group by capability. By default, this checkbox is unchecked, and you will see the console exactly as you see it here. If you will check this little checkbox, you will see this gray surface added to your console, and you could actually drag and drop any column from the grid directly to this and group by the whole grid by that column. In this case, you see that I grouped the computer's view by the operating system, and now you can actually see how many objects I have under each operating system. I could do the very same trick with the sessions view and aggregating the sessions state, and then you could always go ahead and execute actions like logging off all the disconnected sessions and so on and so forth. One of the most important capabilities that not everyone uses is the ability to map branches. So in the sessions view, you could actually see that we have information about the client IP that the user has came from. We could easily, using a string, a table mapping, map an IP range into a string. So as you can see here, all the IPs that came from 0100 to 250 to 54 are mapped as the ControlUp Israeli office. You could do this one by one for each of your branches, and then you could actually, if it's too much, you could always import your Active Directory site and services CSV export. You could use this capability to group by and see how many users came from each branch in real time. Obviously, you could execute actions against this group of users and terminate their sessions or any other action that you find interesting. This capability is also replicated to Insights, our historical reporting piece. So once you have actually mapped your branches, this information is being uploaded to Insights, and then in the protocol trends, in Insights, you have the protocol trends report that allows you to get information about the latency and the bandwidth from your branches. If I would look on all the users that came from the internet, which is obviously the vast majority of my users, you could easily see latency spikes here, which could obviously make sense when users come from the US and connecting to my Israeli lab. At the bottom, you could also see another interesting graph that will show you the consumed bandwidth from this branch versus the available bandwidth that you got. Very easy to see if your branch is utilizing the available bandwidth that you're actually paying for. Thanks for watching, guys. I was Matan. I look forward to see you again next time.